Most beginners are using AI the wrong way. They open a tool, type a few prompts, and expect money to appear. But AI by itself is not an income system. AI becomes powerful when you connect it to a real problem, a real audience, and a simple offer. That is what most beginners are missing. So in this video, I'll show you how to build your first AI income system step by step. The first step is to choose a real problem, not a random idea, not just something that sounds exciting. A real problem is something people already care about. It could be saving time, getting more customers, creating content, organizing information, or making better decisions. AI becomes valuable when it helps solve one of those problems faster or better. So before you choose a tool, choose the problem you want to solve. The second step is to choose a specific audience. If you try to help everyone, your message becomes too generic. But when you choose one type of person or one type of business, everything becomes clearer. You understand their problems better, you create better content, and you can make a stronger offer. For example, you could help real estate agents, coaches, small restaurants, online creators, or local service businesses. The more specific your audience is, the easier it becomes to build a system around them. The third step is to create a simple offer. An offer is not just a service name. It is a clear promise of what you can help someone achieve. For example, instead of saying AI content creation, you could say weekly social media posts for busy real estate agents. That is easier to understand, easier to sell, and easier to deliver. A simple offer turns your AI skills into something people can actually buy. The fourth step is to use AI to produce value. This is where AI becomes your assistant, not your entire business. You can use it to research faster, write better drafts, organize ideas, summarize information, and create first versions. But you still need to review, improve, and adapt the result to the audience. That human layer is what makes the offer stronger. The goal is not to let AI do everything. The goal is to use AI to deliver better results faster. The fifth step is to create content that attracts attention, but not random content. Your content should speak directly to the problem your audience already has. If your audience wants more customers, create content about getting customers. If they want to save time, create content about saving time with simple AI systems. Content becomes powerful when it connects the problem, the audience, and the offer. The sixth step is to turn attention into income. Views alone do not build a business. You need a simple next step for the people who are interested. That next step could be sending you a message, downloading a free resource, joining an email list, or booking a call. Once people trust your content, your offer becomes easier to understand. This is how AI becomes part of a real income system, not just another tool. So remember, AI income does not start with a tool. It starts with a problem, an audience, an offer, content, and a simple next step. If you want to build smarter online income systems with AI, subscribe and keep learning step by step.